Hello Adi, it's Roman. I hope you're doing well. I promised you a quick video on how to use Seesaw, and maybe it will allow you to see if it could be a helpful tool for you for the end of your Genius Hour project, or throughout the Genius Hour project. So as you can see on the website, I created a class, and in that class so far I have one student. Her name is Rachel, and that's actually one of my teachers that is currently in LA. And so it looks a little bit like a Facebook for the teacher and his students. It's closed, it's private, so it's just between you and them. Here's your main timeline for your class feed. So you'll see the work from your students showing up there as they post it. But you can also narrow down to just Rachel and see only Rachel's work. The work can also be organized in folders. As you see the work, you see that you are able to like it, to comment on it, to put it in a folder. One thing also to notice about the work, and that's why Seesaw is so cool, it can be a video that they upload using the iPad directly from the app. I'm going to show you that in a second. It can be something they draw, and they can speak over the drawing. So that could be a way to show how a word is being pronounced, for example. And it could be a picture that they take of their work, or anything in the room for that matters. And once they upload the picture, they can draw over it, as you see here, but they can also speak. Let's listen. Okay, so as a teacher, you can have a variety of things there. They can also upload for you documents, links to things they made in a drive. So it allows them to have a lot of different type of things in there. Now on their end, let me show you on my iPad. When they open the Seesaw app, they would identify themselves as a student. Then either they have the QR code for the class, or they use a text code. The text code is something you would share with them. So for this particular class, I should have done this before, but if I go to any given class, it has a code. Here you go. Let me go back here to get the class code. Sorry about that. So for the class, the Rachel class, right now it's LB. So I'm typing it here, TEH. Okay, so I'm going to join the class. There you go. So this is test class Rachel, and you can see the students have now a menu of different things they can do. They can take photos, videos inside of Seesaw, draw, type a note, put a link for you of something they created, or use a picture from the camera roll. If I use the photo section, I can let Seesaw access the camera. And then, well, for example, it could take, it could take a picture right now of my printer, or for my coffee cup. Let's do the coffee cup. All right. Once the picture is taken, then I can do multiple things with the picture. I can draw on it. I can record my voice on it. See? Okay, so for some reason that right now didn't work. When I'm done, all is created and it's ready to go. I'm going to click on the green button, and then they're going to have to identify who they are. So in that class, this is Rachel. And then once they are identified as who they are, they click on the green check mark. And they'll upload what they've done to their own profile. And you, on your end, as a teacher here, if we look at Rachel's page now, we should see a new addition to it. So maybe I need to refresh, because usually it works no problem. but it will show me that there is a new, oh, here you go. There's a one unapproved item at the bottom. So if I approve that item, then I'm going to see the coffee cup, the drawing, and the recording. So it can be making it very easy for students to share things, both electronic, paper, drawing, voiceover. And so maybe that would be a cool little addition to you. Finally, one thing to look, it has a calendar option here where you can see who posts what on which day. And also, I haven't explored this, but it has a blog feature where you can set up a class blog. And my understanding is you could use their post to feed into the blog, and then that can become something to showcase outside, potentially, of the classroom. Okay, I thought it would be quick. I'm sorry. It's almost 6 minutes. I hope it will be helpful. Reach out to me if you have any questions about this. You don't have to use it. Remember, I'm just doing this, and I can use it to somebody else later. So don't feel like you have to use it, but I just wanted you to have something that can open up different perspective. All right, take care. Bye-bye.